Today I'm making my stuffed portobello mushrooms. In a large bowl, add the ricotta cheese, the artichokes, and the spinach. Then you're going to mix that well. And add the parmesan cheese, the mozzarella cheese, the garlic, the salt, and the pepper. And mix that well to combine all the ingredients. Twist out the stem from the mushrooms. Then using a spoon, scrape out the gills. Now simply spoon the cheese mixture into the mushrooms, then place them in the baking pan. Now finally, just top the mushrooms with the diced tomatoes and the mozzarella cheese. Bake on 375 for 10 to 15 minutes.